Hi there, I would like to share some skincare advice for you while you're at home. So this is actually quite a good opportunity for us to be looking after our skins a bit more and also to really see the results that the products have on our skin. So on a daily basis I use the Ishga face range, however I'm using some of the products slightly differently. Just being indoors, my skin has changed a little bit. You may have noticed your skin is a bit more dehydrated or drier being indoors. It might have become a bit more sensitized, and if you have a sensitive skin or any skin conditions, they could be slightly aggravated. So it's a good chance to really gauge our skin and then change the way we use our products accordingly. So it is important that you continue to keep up your daily cleansing. This is the first step to maintaining and achieving a healthy skin complexion. It will help to remove any natural oils, any perspiration and bacteria from the skin. So I'm using my active cleansing lotion morning and in the evening, taking a small amount into the hands, massaging it into the skin and then removing it with a face cloth. Normally I would have done a double cleanse, but because I'm not wearing makeup anymore, I'm just doing one cleanse. I feel like that is enough just to really refresh the skin and prepare my skin for the rest of my skincare routine. Something else that I'm using slightly differently is the Hebridean Marine Toner. So I'm using this more frequently now. I have decided to keep it in the fridge. It contains aloe vera and cucumber extract, so it's really calming and soothing on the skin, and perfect for those who maybe do have a more sensitive skin. But it's amazing to give your skin a real boost of hydration, simply just spritzing throughout the day as often as you need it. And then the next product that I've been using slightly differently is the Nourishing Face Oil. So normally I would have used this in the evening as my intensive overnight boost of hydration and moisture. However, I'm now using this one throughout the day as well. I use it in the morning and I'm not worried about, having kind of oil on my skin throughout the day, so it's a great one just to keep your skin really supple and hydrated and comfortable. This contains jojoba oil, sweet almond and thistle oil, so really good for conditioning and repairing. And it also contains your seaweed extract, so full of antioxidants to protect against environmental damage, and it also contains rose geranium, which is a really natural, powerful anti-inflammatory, so a great product to have indoors while the skin has changed or become a wee bit more sensitive or dehydrated. It is also multi-purpose, so great to use any extra bits onto the cuticles, into the hands, and you can also take it through the hair as well, so a wonderful product to be using on a daily basis. So that's how I have slightly changed my skincare routine. If you do have any skin concerns or issues at the moment, then please get in touch and we can help you with that. Thanks for watching.